Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin in your Phantom Wallet and want to move it to Coinbase for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in 2025, as crypto wallets evolve quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom Wallet and Coinbase accounts set up and verified. You'll need some Dogecoin in your Phantom Wallet to transfer. Why do this? Coinbase offers easy fiat conversion, which can be a game changer for turning your crypto into cash. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. Locate your Dogecoin balance in the wallet dashboard. It's usually listed under your assets. Tap on it to select. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Log in, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that it's specifically for Dogecoin to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field in Phantom Wallet. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to upgrades, but keep an eye on them to save costs. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation notification. Head back to Coinbase and refresh your account. Your Dogecoin should appear shortly, depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, check the Phantom or Coinbase support pages. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Phantom to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.